Hold up 1 second, guys. Alright. Now we're recording again.
Alright.
Let's see if our game gonna crash.
I hope not. Hopefully it won't crash.
And now I am back in. To be fair, it is a full screen game, and I was alt-tabbing back in and out like a bunch of times.
Oh.
I think if it was borderless, it probably would have behaved better.
Behave? You make it sound like a creature.
A creature. This is just a good setup now. I got this. I got the mouse and keyboard right there when I need it. What?
I just burped. I really hope no one heard that.
For a second, I had a worry that you, like, I don't know. Like, I just fucking bit my own lip off. Press.
There.
Okay.
Did I do it? No.
Press the A button. There you go. Alright. Game's not crashing, but tell you what, let me just hear how it sounds. You can hear it pretty well.
Oh, I can't even level up my Harley Quinn.
What?
Because you see that? Yours is like a different color and you get like the progress of leveling up your character.
I guess so.
I don't get that on mine for some odd reason.
Well, maybe we could have streams where like you play through the single player mode and like build your character levels there.
Okay. Hey, don't
so,
do
like,
Harley Quinn.
I'm a level 4 Harley Quinn, you see.
Yes.
So anyways. Alright, let's pick your character.
I already did. A? A?
Harley Quinn.
Okay.
Yes.
My god, you're some weird creature.
Bane.
Ow!
This Bane is cool, but I also kind of, I
Fighters
don't know.
approaching
You know what?
Brainiac's ship.
I kind of like the Batman, like, Arkham Bane. He's like this, but like, even like, gigantoer.
Still conning the bat with your hero act.
No cons here but you, juice box!
Violence will reveal your true nature.
Begin.
Just getting right into it.
Boing, boing, boing. Ow! Oh my god. Ha!
Can I like see what the controllers are too? I'm just pressing buttons. I want to know. Is there a block at all?
No, I don't think so.
Like that's the one thing I need to know right now.
Really, fool? You're gonna look that into it while we're streaming? You terrible person. Or while we're recording. You're such a weirdo.
The people need to know.
No, the
To block, you must hold back away from your opponent, like in most fighting games.
Okay.
In the past, by now there has been a dedicated block button, but Injustice 2 does away with this idea.
What?
So you hold the controller stick away. Hold on. Try to hit me. See?
Owie! Rude! Owie!
Prepare for unrelenting pain.
I think that there's going to be more to that, but it didn't even show it. Oh, I should have blocked.
You're a real buzzkill.
Hold on 1 second. And so now here are the controls. So backwards and forwards, X is my charge. Backwards to like whatever that thing is, ring slam. Mercenary's elbow. Venom uppercut. Bane bomb. Let me just start with 2. Let me just start the X ones. Okay.
Hold on.
Have you been reading your
I've been trying to, but you were doing it too damn fast.
Just pick one and just
I don't
practice
even remember what it was!
Okay, let's read
Stop.
it. I'll help you read it. So look, you go like this.
Oh my god, you just...
You do this motion here. And don't worry about the screen, just look at my controller. You do this motion here, but like away from your opponent. And plus X, you'll do your pistol attack.
Oh.
Try it. Go like this, the little controller motion.
I'm already doing that.
Do it at the same time, like boom, like X while you're moving it, while the controller's in motion.
I'm doing that. It's not working.
You're just moving your controller around randomly. Okay, oh, wait. Be gentle with your controller. Ready, and press X. Hold on. Keep your thumb, like, loose and relaxed. Ready, and press X. And press X. Okay, look at me, like, and press X.
That doesn't
Don't
do
resist.
anything.
Don't resist my thumb with your thumb at all. Ready, and
That doesn't...
there. See? So, ready, and press X.
Oh my god.
I can't do this two-handed, or one-handed, but I can do a two-handed.
No, I got it.
You got it? That's the motion, and that's the timing.
Okay.
You want me to try it? Let's practice. That's a critical motion in fighting games.
Ow.
You're hitting X too late. Try it again.
Oh my god, can we just play?
Okay.
Let's just play! I don't need a
They
gaming
just-
lesson at the moment. People just want to see playing.
No.
Yes. Ouchie. Oh no! Ah!
You have yours too.
I don't remember what it was.
Both triggers at the same time. Pretty good range on that. But you didn't even need to, like, follow through with the whole thing. I wish they showed it though. Look at that. Doesn't even look at the explosion.
I know.
Anyway, you can just press buttons.
Yes.
How about that?
I like that. Better.
Let's select a new fighter.
No. Fine.
Fine. No, just whatever you said too.
Where's the gorilla man?
He's there.
Where's the gorilla? Is that the gorilla? Oh my
To the
God.
left. To the left. One more. Yeah, one more. There. I'm not as familiar with the DC universe, so we'll see.
I like it better than just. I like it better than having to try to finger something.
Alright, you'll figure out as you go. But how about you just experiment with, make like deliberate motions with the stick,
Okay.
and just experiment with it.
Fighters approaching Gotham City.
Oh, Gotham City. Okay.
I'm regenerating your gear.
I will fight to protect my home.
Earth's not your home, alien.
That was just rude, Grog.
Begin.
Ouchie. Ow. Ow. You're... Oh my gosh, you're beating me. What the hell? It's rude. Ah! He doesn't do much. He just smacks you. We both jumped at the same time.
Oh, I missed it!
Toasty, as they say.
But you still have yours. Try it out. Oh my god. So violent. And he's telekinetic, by the way. It's like, he doesn't, it's not too fancy, it's just brutal. You know? Get a good old gorilla smash. That's pretty cool.
Oh god, let me get closer.
Okay.
Oh my god, I'm trying to hit.
You're just like literally flailing your arms. Oh, you got me.
No!
Time to see what mine looks like.
Oh god. Oh!
Sheesh.
Oh my god, there's like a fight in there.
Starfire wins.
The backgrounds are really cool. Like the whole Gotham aesthetic. I wish as player 2, like, you would just have your own experience. But maybe it just doubles up on player 1 because there is an online online component to this game. You like level up on it and you get gear and kind of change your equipment a little bit.
Ooh, it's cheap.
I am so indecisive about this.
Enchantress.
Atom.
Just pick one, you poop.
There's
Hi, hi viewers!
Hey.
Ow, I have something in my eye.
Captain Cold.
Wonder Woman.
Ow.
I'll smack you. Her specialty is smacking people.
Yeah, but I can
Fighters
shoot you.
approaching Gotham City.
Why do you keep hitting Gotham City?
I did random.
Well, maybe you should stop doing random because it's been Gotham City for the last.
Yeah, the odds are, loaded here.
Earth and her children are protected.
Don't threaten me, daughter of Zeus.
You brought it on
Oh,
yourself.
no, you didn't.
Begin.
Let me read my controls for a second. Forward and back, X. Forward and back, Y. Forward and back, A. X, Y, A.
Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm terrible.
Ooh. It's pretty cool. Just literally stabbing you with the sword. You're just like, alright, brush it off. Brush. Oh. Oh. I should have been looking. Lay down, lay down.
You'll make a fire.
You got like most of my health down.
Hail Hermes.
I don't know what this does. That fucking thing fucks me up. that if you spammed the shit out of that, I would fucking be really turn around.
What?
Damn it.
Owie! Why are you being mean to me?
Oh. is fruit.
Yeah!
Oh my god!
I was
You
frantic.
were hyper focused in on that, like you were doing. You probably put some good, tension on those controllers there.
My hands are all sweaty.
Mm-hmm. Doggo is watching us.
I know.
You want to play the same character? Okay.
No.
That answers that. All it takes is one person to want to.
Oh my god, I went too fast. Who's that? She's a cheetah. She gonna bite you. Am I red? Oh, I am red.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Watch a song. Watch this video get copyrighted for me just humming Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles theme song
I'm doing Carly.
for like a second.
Okay.
What's that player? I think you hit B.
I'm sorry. Hit the thing again.
Hit the A button.
There.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hit the A button again.
Oh my god.
Okay, now you may pick your character.
Harley
The
Quinn is my
flag.
Okay.
character.
Harley Quinn.
Okay.
Don't do random this time.
Fighters approaching Brainiac.
Thank God.
To win a clash, spend. Oh yeah. I forgot you can crash.
I don't like your methods.
I don't like your face.
Sparkling wet.
Begin.
Okay,
What the-
you were about to throw something at me, but I want to read this stuff. Forward and back X, forward and back Y, and then both downward motions with the X, and a forward motion with the A.
Ow. He just smacked you. Oh, great. Ow. Oh my god!
Ah. Oh my god, fucking frantic hyenas just coming flying at you. It didn't dawn on me how fucking scary that is. Until now. And it's funny I mentioned that. Ow.
Poof!
Next
Oh,
time, try stretching first.
rude. Ow.
We're fighting for like someone's amusement in the background, you see that? I keep on thinking those are grenades, and I keep on trying to dodge them, and then I realize they're just, you're like doggy trees.
Yeah.
Ooh, a clash.
Enjoy this.
Like that? Watch this.
Press buttons. Okay, you did it.
Woo! Ouchie. Oh my god! Is that me? Oh my god. Ow!
All the way over there. all the way back in time, and then punching yourself with yourself from the past.
The Flash wins.
Sorry. You're like, how dare you beat me, a girl?
You know what? Actually, to be honest, he's better at Injustice, and I'm better at Nidhogg.
Mm-hmm. But you know what though? I'll do this. I'll play differently.
What?
I'll play one-handed.
No.
I can do it.
No, it's fine. We just have our own games we're
Okay.
good at. And I'm better at
Press
Nidhogg. If you haven't already, go see
You're actually really good. I'm barely keeping up. If you didn't notice, that match was a pretty close one. I only had a little bit of health left.
No.
You were actually doing way better than you're giving yourself credit for.
Alright, go down.
You could have pressed A.
Right.
Remember how it works before, you dingus? But I'll do it.
My heart.
Branch out. Branch out.
No!
You just did. You just hit A, now you picked Batman. Press B. Okay, now pick whoever.
That would be fun. Two big monsters.
Yeah, and he has a cat.
Who?
Your character you just picked.
Oh, I like it.
Atrocitus.
Whatever the fuck that is.
Atrocitus.
Poison Ivy.
Okay, let's hold that random. Spitting fire.
Fighters approaching the Joker's playground.
The Joker's
Pretty
playground.
cool aesthetic.
Uh-oh.
I don't play with fire. I smother it.
A crimson spark burns within you.
Please, I'm the queen of mind games.
Begin.
God, there's some person.
Oh my god, what is going on? No! Oh my god. Stop moving. There. I have a little creature. I love him. Like, what the hell?
What the hell, you little creature?
No. That was just rude.
Now you know how it feels.
If you tap L, it does nothing other than, oh, hello. That's just, I'm trying to show you my little jiggle. You know what? Imagine if she had hella armpit hair.
That'd be crazy.
Oh my god.
Ah!
Little chompy.
Oh.
I should have gotten out of the way of that one.
Oh
Holy
shit.
That is your fate.
Oh my god. Smush me. Let me get you with my creature.
You said you weren't gonna do one hand, you poop! You lied!
Oh my god! You got me!
Atrocitus wins.
He's dope.
I like his cat. Meow!
Mm-hmm.
Meow! Alright, this should probably be our last one.
Okay.
And then we'll go back to chatting.
Alright. Firestorm. It's cool.
I like him.
Atrocitus.
Okay.
Because he has a fun kitty.
Hmm.
Green arrow.
Ouch!
I'll just barf on you.
Fighters approaching Brainiac's ship.
Okay, we'll chomp you.
I'll chomp you first.
Mm-hmm.
See that? Oh.
No
Angie
power
said
sets
sorry.
you challenge me.
I have the power of love.
I will rain fire upon you.
Begin.
Let me read real quick. Okay.
God!
Forward, back, X, Y. Okay.
No, you're gonna win, and then I'm gonna be mad. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Be nice to me! You said you were gonna play with one hand, you poop!
Do you want me to?
Well, you're kind of
Okay.
better at this than I am right
Alright,
now.
I'll play one-handed.
That's embarrassing.
Ow! Oh!
I stomp on your belly.
Rude.
Oh my god, I'm so close to getting you. Dingus. No. Oh, I blocked it. Okay. Don't punch me in the head. I wonder if Kitty can just like charge in at you. Granted, shooting like orbs is pretty cool. I'm gonna get you in the nuts. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you right here with the pointy end. I'm gonna get you.
Woo, but you're gonna die, I think.
I don't know. I might have a comeback. We'll see. Go get you. Oh my god. Oh shit. I didn't block it. Oh, you have to be below. It's a down block. That's how I blocked it that one time, remember?
Yeah.
I was just doing a normal block. Alright. You done. You destroyed me. And I think you have more wins on this than I do. What are we, 3-2 right now? So
I think
congrats.
so. Thank you. I've been pressing buttons for the last,
Putting
like...
me in my place. Jose.
Alright, yay!
Yay.
That was good.
That was really fun.
Oh, do I have to go down too? Oh my god. Why'd you do a rematch? Oh.
What?
Okay, for a second I thought you did a rematch. I was like, what the hell?
No.
Oh, okay.
That was your controller.
Oh, that was my controller.
You dingle.
Me.
Anyway, that was a lot of fun.
That was fun. I hope you guys enjoyed that.
Alright,
We
ending the
did.
recording here.